Introduction and overview of Shopify POS Lite. Shopify is a well-known e-commerce platform that assists businesses in setting up and running their online stores. It provides users with a variety of features and tools for managing their shop, including a POS system. The Shopify point of sale system is available in two options, Lite and Pro. In this video, we'll go through the significant changes between the two versions and help you determine which is best for your company. Shopify POS Lite versus Pro. What's the difference? The biggest distinction between the two versions of Shopify's point of sale system is the quantity of accessible features and capabilities. The Lite edition is a simplified version of the Pro POS system that includes less features and functionalities. It is intended for small enterprises that do not require all of the bells and whistles provided by the Pro version. To get a demonstration of the differences, click the link below. Here's a brief rundown of the main distinctions between Shopify Point of Sale Lite and Pro. POS Pro supports sophisticated inventory management, but POS Lite does not. You can manage inventory levels, reorder goods, and make purchase orders straight from the app with POS Pro. This is a critical feature for businesses who sell things in physical storefronts, since it allows them to maintain and track their stock levels and never run out of products to offer. POS Lite does not have an infinite number of point-of-sale stations, but POS Pro does. You won't be able to give staff roles and permissions with point-of-sale Lite, which is critical for security and monitoring down poor performance. This is cumbersome and may result in more expenditures for your business in the long term. With POS Pro, you'll have access to a plethora of in-store data that will show you which of your goods are doing the best. Shopify's POS system is a fantastic resource for businesses of all sizes. It provides users with a variety of features and tools to help them manage their stores effectively. If you want a simplified version of the Shopify POS system with fewer features and tools, Shopify Point of Sale Lite is probably the best option for your company. However, if you want inventory management tools, analytical insight, and limitless registers and users, Shopify POS Pro is the way to go. Click the link down below to chat with one of our experts about which option is best for you.